Alright y'all, so it's time to do a little update and upgrade on my Rane 62. I've had this guy since it first dropped back in 2012. It's now 2022, so you know, I've had it for quite a while, but as of now I just recently cleaned the faders, and I noticed that the carriers on the faders were finally starting to have some cracks in the plastic. I did go through instrumentalparts.com and I picked up the newer carriers that Rane released that are supposed to be a better quality. They have a little bit more of a weight to them. I can definitely feel that these ones are a little heavier, which might actually feel a little bit better. It might actually give it a little more bounce back as well. We're going to replace all of the faders with these new carriers. So we'll do the Crossfader first. Like I said, I just cleaned these guys, but I'll show you here where I started to notice that these little carriers were starting to crack. So down here at the bottom, you can actually see there's that little hairline fracture there. And if I pull this, you might be able to see. See how it separates? Oh, look, the magnet even came out. So I noticed that crack is running down the edge, or down the bottom of all three of the carriers. Let's pop this apart. And since I just cleaned these bars, I shouldn't have to clean them again. Okay, so we're going to take that apart, pull that one out, and then put this little O-ring back and put that there like that. Put this back on like this, and that's pretty much the gist of it. And then we'll put the board back on. Put the screws back in. And again, we never want to force these screws in. We just want to make sure they go in nice and easy. So, because you don't want it to break the plastic. You don't want it to cross thread or anything like that. And that is pretty much it. So now we just got to replace the carriers on the input faders or the volume faders. And I might put a little bit of lube on the bars. It'll be just a small amount. Let's get this connected back up again. Okay. Time for the test. So yeah, honestly, man, they feel pretty good. Not too bad. So thumbs up. Thanks for watching.